What's up everyone, it's Shaquille, your host to Living with Apple Every Day, and in this episode I'm going to actually show you how to set multiple timers on your iPhone so you can set different times for when you need to be notified of things. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to set multiple timers on your iPhone. In the top right corner, you want to swipe down, and then you want to look for the timer symbol. Note, it's not the alarm clock symbol, even though in the alarm clock symbol, if you forget to press that by accident, yeah, timers are right here, but in reality, you want to click the timer symbol directly, and then now that you're here, we're going to set a couple of different minutes, okay, just to show you. You select the timer you want to set it for, then you press start. So now you have one timer. Then if you do it again, actually you don't even do, you just press the plus symbol right there, and then let's say you want to set one for 4 minutes, you press start. Then you press the plus symbol again, 3 minutes. Start. Oh, I want to set one for 1 hour and 8 minutes. So you adjust the timer and then you press start. And I'll just do one more for you just for fun. Let's do let's do 2 hours. There you go. I have yet to test out the limit of how many timers you can set, but I normally don't need more than 5 timers at any given time. Let's say I'm baking bread and it needs to be flipped every 10-15 minutes just for fun, times 4 flips. I would set this for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then every 15 minutes it would just keep going off and I would just keep flipping my dough. So, and then to delete, you could just pause, or you can swipe, normally you swipe left, yeah, see, swipe left to delete. So swipe left to delete, swipe left to delete. Another way to delete is if you press edit and then you tap on that little red negative sign and then you press delete as well. And then just so you see how they look like on your home screen, it's staggered actually. If you like tap on them, it will show you. You can also X out, clear them, and they'll still be there. Like for example, just to show you, they're still going off in the background as well. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.